General Motors presented a new generation of airless wheel technology for passenger vehicles. It's called the Uptis Prototype, or a unique puncture-proof tire system, at the Moving On Summit for Sustainable Mobility. The joint research agreement will see both the companies validate the Uptis Prototype with the goal of introducing the Uptis on passenger models as early as 2024. Michelin and GM are testing the Uptis Prototype, beginning with vehicles like the Chevrolet Bolt EV. Later this year, the companies will initiate real-world testing of Uptis on a test fleet of Bolt EV vehicles in Michigan. Michelin has been working at making airless tires for the past 5 years now. The company showcased the wheel concept in 2014, and an investment of $50 million has gone into the new plant for making it ready for commercial usage. The Uptis is a version of this and is airless. It completely eliminates the risk of flat tires and blowouts. Florent Menegix, Chief Executive Officer for Michelin Group, said, "Uptis demonstrates that Michelin's vision for a future of sustainable mobility is clearly an achievable dream. Through work with strategic partners like GM, who share our ambitions for transforming mobility, we can seize the future today." The Uptis Prototype is re-engineered for today's passenger vehicles, and it is also well-suited to emerging forms of mobility. The vehicles and fleets of tomorrow, whether autonomous, all-electric, shared service or other applications, will demand near-zero maintenance from the tire to maximize their operating capabilities. The Uptis features a different architecture and composite materials, which enables the tire to bear the car's weight at road-going speeds. Approximately 200 million tires worldwide are scrapped prematurely every year as a result of punctures, damage from road hazards, or improper air pressure that causes uneven wear. These advancements through the Uptis Prototype demonstrate Michelin GM's shared commitment to delivering safer, more sustainable mobility solutions. Of course, these tires will be pricey, but we wait to see how these tires fare on production cars. In GM and Michelin's current prototype, Uptis looks like a skeletal form of a conventional tire. There are 3 individual components, starting with an outer layer made of a mix of rubber and synthetic compounds. It features the same sort of tread pattern as a conventional tire, but there are no sidewalls. Instead, the latest prototype uses high-strength composite spokes that are mated to an aluminum hub, which mounts to a car's axle, just like a conventional tire. Though most major tire manufacturers have been working on airless technology, their efforts have gone slowly, at least until now. The challenge has been to come up with a design that can match the behavior of conventional tires in terms of performance, handling, energy efficiency and cost. Eric Vinus, Michelin's head of research and development, said the Uptis will be just as fuel efficient as a conventional tire. Other benefits the companies tout include a lower cost and longer lifespan than conventional tires. Michelin, which has done extensive virtual testing of the Uptis, has recently begun to run it on real vehicles. GM is testing it on a fleet of Chevrolet Bolt electric vehicles.